Hi, I'm Howard Malloy, and I'm Managing Director for Ensono Europe. I'd like to start by thanking you for considering Ensono as a certified AWS partner for your RFP for an AWS API Gateway platform and RAR's Availability API. My job here today is twofold. Firstly, I'm here to demonstrate how seriously we're treating this proposal and to show our commitment to RDG. Secondly, I'd like to go through some of the main reasons why you should pick Ensono. We understand some of the challenges that you're facing. We understand that since launching RARs on MuleSoft, you've faced some critical challenges around the limitations when handling large volumes or when exceptional events occur. We understand that your services have to be highly resilient, scalable, secure, and highly available. But it's also imperative that your platform is commercially viable and flexible enough to onboard more services in the future. You need a platform that is both flexible and resilient to meet the demands of your business and the expectations of your clients. So why pick Ensono? There are probably three key reasons. First, we know how to implement and support national critical infrastructure. Examples include the MOJ, TFL, and Companies House, and many more. Our background is dealing with threat-to-life data, so you can be assured that Ensono can provide these services for your mission-critical infrastructure. We're the company the industry turns to when it wants things done right. Secondly, we know AWS. We have worked with the platform for over 10 years with 165 certified development professionals at our disposal. All but one of the government institutions I have mentioned were developed on the AWS platform. We are also one of the UK market leaders in identity and access management across government. We are often subcontracted in via large GSIs to undertake this work on their behalf. Lastly, I have to talk about flexibility. When talking to clients, this is the number one thing they demand. At Ensono, we're all about change. We support change, we enable change, we drive change. So we build services for change to last. I'm sure you've heard all of this before from other people and providers, so don't just take my word for it. As part of this process, we want to introduce you to some of our clients who will evidence everything that we've said.
Hi, I'm John Woodwards, Principal Delivery Manager at Ensono, and I've been part of the team working to develop a really compelling solution for RDG. In our time reviewing your documentation and understanding your objectives, we really understand some of your challenges. We also understand the pressures and needs within the rail industry to provide reliable services that evolve and change. This is always a fine balancing act, but one we have navigated many times before and will hopefully show you what we can do. As Howard mentioned earlier, obviously resilience, scalability and availability are fundamental to our proposed solution. We've extended that principle by proposing the use of our open source product known as Stacks. This is a toolkit of available code that will accelerate the beginning of new projects, enabling us to reduce timescales from weeks to days in the early stages. This will ensure best practice is adopted in design and development and ensures solutions are secure and consistent. Our approach, refined over many years of experience, is low risk, very effective, and allows us to develop the technology and services to support aggressive SLAs with a site reliability engineering support service, which is all about proactive maintenance to ensure that we not only maintain high support levels, but the platform becomes even more stable over time. I also wanted to add some detail to the point Howard raised about flexibility and change. The way we work at Ensono is predicated on our deep understanding that change is something that is necessary and not something to be avoided. How do we address this? First, we design an agile platform that supports RDG as new APIs are added or removed. This will include providing a consistency of leadership and reduced over-reliance on any individuals through effective use of knowledge sharing and documentation, which we often see has underestimated importance within customer development engagements. Second, we enable RDG around future capability. In future, your services and capabilities will need to evolve, and we must provide a cloud platform to support this. We are vendor agnostic and can provide unbiased advice, so we don't lock you into a single platform and/or technology. Third, we also drive change. Ensono will actively innovate and promote change in your system. We are not content to keep billing you to the same amount year after year. We are incentivized to drive down your spend by analyzing, optimizing, and making sure you're working in the most efficient and effective way possible. We will act as a true partner, working with you, sharing our thoughts and ideas. We are not a passive player, simply here to run what's there and bill you. We are there to create efficiency, optimize change, and reflect the ever-changing world in which we work.
It would be an honor to begin a working relationship with you and to support your integration needs for the years ahead. I look forward to working with you on this, and please reach out if there's anything else you need as we move forward.